Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Wi-Fi password. So let's start. First, open a browser. Now you have to type in this address 192.168.0.1 and then tap go on your keyboard. Now you have to sign in. All you have to do is tap on admin on username as well as the password and then tap sign in and you will be signed into your Wi-Fi network. On the top left hand side you will see a menu. Now tap on wireless and then tap on wireless security. And now on the right hand side you will see the password. If I zoom out a little bit you will be able to see the password. Now tap on the password and change it as you like. When you are done, tap save at the bottom of the screen and that's how you can change your Wi-Fi password. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.